I was quoting Mark Twain that said, there are lies, there are damn lies, and there are statistics. So, on a more positive way, I can say there's the truth, there's all the truth, and there's nothing but the truth. But sometimes telling the truth itself is not enough if it's not the whole truth. For example, let's go back about 85 years ago. This is Harvard University. It says veritas, truth in Latin. About 85 years ago, Harvard University decided for the first time to admit women to graduate school. First time women were ever admitted to graduate school at Harvard. They said, let's try. So they admitted women, and a year passed, and the High Council of the university convened, and they were discussing whether or not to continue with this shameful phenomenon. Why shameful? Because 1/3 of all women admitted that year had an affair with a faculty member. 1/3 of the women who were admitted that year to Harvard had an affair with a faculty member. You know how many women were admitted that year? 3 women. 3 women were admitted. So 1 student had an affair with a faculty member. Happens, you know. Luckily, they decided to go on, and maybe next year, the second year, there were 5 women admitted. And the rest is history. Today, each year, thousands of women graduate Harvard. But it almost fell just because of that 1 student who was 1/3 of all women. So they told the truth, but nothing but the truth. This story appears in a beautiful book that's called How to Lie with Statistics. Fascinating.